We are going to continue class 8 science, very important questions related to examination. In the previous video we have answered from 46 to 66th question. Now in this video we are going to continue from 67th question. The 67th question is, what are poor conductors? So now let us answer, what are poor conductors? So poor conductors are the materials which do not allow electric current to pass through them easily are called as poor conductors. Example: rubber, plastic, dry wood. Now let us move for 68th question. The 68th question is, does salt solution conduct electricity? So salt solution no electricity na conduct madutta. So what is our answer for 68? Yes, salt solution will conduct electricity. So now let us move for 69th question. Most liquids that conduct electricity are the solution of dash, dash and dash. So they are the solutions of, the first one is, they are the solution. They may be acid solution, or they may be basic solution, or they may be salt solution. Acids, bases and salts. So now let us move for 70th question. The 70th question is, what is chemical effect of electric current? So now let us answer the 70th question. Whenever current pass through the conducting solution, chemical reaction takes place. So this is called as chemical effect of electric current. So now let us move for 71st question. The 71st question is, what is electroplating? Electroplating andre eno? So now let us answer, what is electroplating? So electroplating is defined as the process of depositing a layer of any desired metal on another material by means of electricity is called as electroplating. Now let us move for 72nd question. So the 72nd question is, why bath taps, car parts, wheel rims are electroplated with chromium? So chromium nindane yake electroplating ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? So now let us answer this question. So 72nd question. So 72nd question ge answer ಮಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ because. So let us answer in point wise. Because it gives a shiny appearance. First one, if you use chromium. Second one, it resists scratches. So scratches agodilla if you use chromium. Then third one, it does not corrode. So it will not undergo corrosion. So it does not corrode. So these are the 3 points that you have to write why chromium is electroplated. Next, 73rd question. So now let us answer the 73rd question. The 73rd question is the 73rd question is why tin cans used for storing food is electroplated with tin anta ide. So now let us answer this question. So because why it is electroplated with tin, because the first point is tin is less reactive. Tin is less reactive than iron. So food does not comes into contact with iron and is protected from getting spoiled. So this is the answer why we are using tin. Let us answer 74th question. The 74th question is why iron bridges and automobiles are electroplated with zinc. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರೋಮಿಯಂ ಇಂದ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು, ಒಂದು ಟಿನ್ ಇಂದ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಪ್ಲೇಟೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಜಿಂಕ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 74th ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ coating of zinc on iron will protect it from corrosion. It will protect it from corrosion and formation of rust. So this is the answer for 74th question. Now let us answer 75th. What is lightning? How it is caused? So what is lightning? How it is caused? So lightning andre eno adu hege untagutte. So first what is lightning? So lightning is a electric spark. Lightning is what? It is a electric spark. How it is caused? It is caused by the accumulation of charges in the cloud. So now let us move for 76th question. The 76th question is what is amber? So amber andre eno? So let us answer 76th question. Amber is a kind of resin when rubbed with fur. It attracts light objects. Next, let us move for 77th question. The 77th is what are charged objects? So charged objects andre eno? So now let us answer that one. So 77th is when one object is rubbed with when one object is rubbed with other, it acquires it acquires it acquires a small charge. It acquires a small charge. These objects are called charged objects. Now let us move for 78th question. So 78th question ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. That is, what is electroscope? So electroscope ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? So now let us answer 78th question. What is electroscope? So electroscope ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? So the answer for this question is, it is a device. Electroscope is a device used to test whether the object is carrying charge or not. Next, 79th question. The 79th question is, what is earthing? So earthing andre eno? So now let us answer this question. So earthing is the process of transferring of charge from a charged body to the earth. Is called as earthing. Now let us move for 80th question. So the 80th question is, what is lightning conductors? So lightning conductors andre ಏನು? So that is 80th question. Lightning conductor is a device used to protect buildings from the effect of lightning. Now let us move for 81st question. The 81st question is, what is earthquake? So earthquake andre ಏನು? So now let us answer this one. The earthquake, the sudden shaking or trembling of the earth which lasts for a very short time. So now let us move for 82nd question. The 82nd question is, what is light year? So light year andre ಏನು? So what is meant by light year? The distance traveled by light in 1 year. The distance traveled by light in 1 year is called as light year. Now let us move for 83rd question. What is the speed of the light? So what is the speed of the light? The speed of the light is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 kilometer per second, or you can write like this: 3 lakhs unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. So 3 lakh kilometer per second. So this is the speed of the light. So now let us move for 84th question. The 84th question is, why stars are not visible in the sky during the daytime? So daytime nalli why the stars are not visible? So because of the bright sunlight. Then 85th question. The 85th question is, what are constellation? Constellation andre ಏನು? So let us answer the 85th question. What are constellation? That is the constellation is defined as, that is the stars forming a group that has a recognizable shape is called as what? It is called as, this is stars. The stars having a group that has a recognizable shape is called as constellation. Now let us move for 86th question. Name the constellation can be seen during summer time in the early part of the night. So in the early part of the night, what type of constellation that we can see, that is called as Ursa Major. Ursa Major, URSA, Ursa Major, or it is also called as Saptarshi or Saptarshi. That is the constellation that we can see during summer in the sky. Next, let us answer for 87th question. So 87th question is, what is a pole star? So pole star andre ಏನು? So what is a pole star? So now let us answer. A star which is situated in the direction of the Earth's axis is called as pole star. Now let us answer 88th question. That is name the constellation that can be seen during winter in the late evenings anta ide. So late evenings anta kottidane, that is Orion. This is the constellation. So in this video we have answered from question number 67, that is we have answered from question number 67 to question number 88, and remaining part will be continued in the next video. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Those who are not subscribed, please subscribe my channel, and those who are already subscribed, watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. So please encourage my videos. Thank you very much.